in the kitchen counter and what someone
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
guys, like I told you guys that the other day, I went back to Action, and I told you that I was going to buy another this silver candle and some other things. So I got this, and this one, the silver candle, and this is Marrakech. And I also got this because I already got the other ones. You guys, if you watched my other videos, please forgive the noise. It's the machine noise. I'm in the other kitchen. And I bought this. Look how beautiful this is. So I bought these two candle, added on my on my collection. And then I bought this decor, and I'm going to use them for my bigger mirror in my office. So these are gold. I'll show you guys. And I also got these roses, those fake roses. I bought three bouquets. So 1, 2, and 3. I bought this pink one, so I'm gonna show you guys also. And I also bought these stones. You guys, we still decorative stones. You know that we still have to do our air plant. So I bought this 3, and then I'm also going to use sand. So I also bought these shells from Action, and I bought this, and I also saw this, and oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. I'm also going to use this on my decoration, on my air plant decoration in the vases where I'm going to put them, and I'll show you guys. So I bought these 3, and I thought they will be enough. And then I saw these decors, and these ones, look how they look, so cute. They have brown and white, and as you know, my couch is brown, so I'm going to put them in a very nice vase I have, and I'm going just to decorate them to put on center table or something like that. And I thought they were looking so cute. And then I got more spray paint. So I got the clear, vanish, matte, transparent, and this is in, excuse me, I took the wrong ones, guys. Oh no, I thought I took white, but this is clear. And this, oh my goodness, this is also clear, transparent. Oh my goodness, I'll see if I can return those two. And I also found this mask, face sheet mask, 3. So I bought those one, I'm gonna try. And then I found this is a charger, a wireless charger in the car. So I bought this for my car. So you can use it even to film. You can use to it's charging, it's wireless charging. So when you're in the car, because I usually charge my phone with direct from the car, but this, it looks so cute. So I thought, you'd see, guys. So I thought, you know what? This looks so nice. So I took this one. This was like €5. You see how it looks like? This was like €5, and I think it's gonna look so cute in the car. And also, I bought this chewing gum. And this was just the receipt. And then I bought this mat, and I'm just gonna put it here in my second kitchen. It says welcome home. It says home sweet home. Say home sweet home. So it's gray, and as you can see, guys, my wall here is gray. So I'm gonna put it on the door in the office, where I enter, on the office door on this side. And then I took this for painting, when you are painting. And I also took this for my daughter. So I took this too, but she already take one upstairs, and she also picked this one. She's the one who picked this one. She also picked this one. And I told you she liked painting, she liked drawing, and she also picked this one. So this one is kind of a reflection tracer. So this is how it looks like. So you can just put your tablet, and then you trace what you're drawing.
Thank you very much.
So this is how it looks like. She wants it. Here, baby. So
Thank
that's
you.
how it looks like. And then I bought her wine, the kids champagne. And also I took this long canvas and I'm going to do a DIY. And this canvas, I don't know how long it is, but it's very long. I think it was, yeah, it's 40 by 120. So as you can see, it's very long canvas. So I'm going to do a DIY with these guys and we're gonna see. I'm going to use the straws, where the straws that I bought in Crowdfund. So you're gonna see how this gonna come out, guys. Yes, guys, so those are the things that I bought, and everything I used 56 euros and something. And yeah, this is all I got. So we're gonna start, and the plants do, and this one I'm gonna show you how I'm going to. Ooh, I love them, the pink. So I took 3, that's enough, because I have these round big vases. They're gonna look so cute even when you put them in the kitchen counter and what. Hey, someone hold me, please. Someone hold me. And this one I'm going to show you also. I'm going to put them on my mirror in my office, because you see it's gold. So I'm gonna do that. So you guys, yes, so that is all that I bought in Action this time. And also I told you, yeah, I bought chewing gum, the bubble cola. This is always Patricia, if you're watching this, I know you know, but this time I bought cola. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place. And someone hold me, please. I'm not going to Action again this week, but girl, I just remembered that I was supposed to pick something, so maybe maybe tomorrow I'm going there again. Oh God, please, no, hold my hands. Action will finish my money. Anyway, these are the things that I picked. And see you next time, guys. Be blessed, be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place. And mwah. Bye, guys.